Scrapbookers, this is Megan, and I am back today with a new layout using my scrapbooking store March kit. I know the month of March is almost over. I think we just have a couple more days left when I post this, but my life has kind of been crazy the last few weeks, and I actually totally forgot that I had done a video for this layout. So I posted the layout on Instagram a few days ago, and then I was going through photos on my phone and I realized I did a video. So I thought I would get it up for you guys. Make sure if you want to subscribe to the Kit Club that you use my link below. I would really appreciate that. It just gives me a little bit of a commission, which I can use to buy more scrappy supplies. Anyway, okay, so let's move on to the layout. So I had these 3 photos, and right now I don't really have access to all of my photos. I know where they are. It's just going through them and finding the spring ones. I was just like, no, I'm just gonna grab these 3 photos because they're kind of springish. They were taken, I think, in March of, I want to say 2019, maybe 2018. I can't remember. But anyway, I went with a friend to get our toes done. We got a pedicure, and then I went and got my eyebrows waxed, which the bottom right hand corner is a photo of me saying, hey, look at my crazy red eyebrows. I don't know if you guys can tell, but they're really red. And that's what they're red from. And then I have obviously a picture of my toes, and then I have a photo of my friend and I. So the salon we went to had these fun massaging chairs, and so that's what we're sitting in. There was quite a big space between us, so I knew that I would just put the title there or something to kind of cover up that ugly white wall and I think it was like the heating system behind us or something. So now here I am adding some close to my heart. I think it was Blossom ink. And then I decided I was going to put all the layers behind these photos. I thought it would be kind of fun to use a bunch of mats behind the photos. And then here I'm going to bring in Bluebird, and that is also from Close to My Heart. So the pink papers I'm going to do in the Blossom color, and then the blue papers, which I think I do 2 or 3 more layers, I am going to do in the Bluebird. Now here, like I said, I'm just going to start cutting up more layers, and that is basically what this layout is just layer upon layer upon layer of pattern paper. And I had fun. Here are my girlfriend's twins. I was scrapbooking when they were home, and so of course they had to come and see me, and they love seeing all of my scrapbooking stuff. I try not to scrapbook and record, like film making layouts when they're home, because I don't really want to have to worry about them getting into stuff. But on this day, I knew I wasn't going to have another day to use the kit because we were going to start packing up. And so I decided just to go ahead and do it. So they decided to come in and help me scrapbook, so you can kind of see them playing around. And then I'm going to pull out in a little bit my sticker sheet, and they absolutely love the sticker sheets. So they are going to have so much fun with that. I thought maybe at the end of the video, I might put in some of the audio because it's just so stinking cute listening to them. And I do apologize about the movement because I am on my bed, and it's a portable surface. Obviously, it's a little hard to not let it move, and the twins were moving a lot. And so I apologize about the movement, but here is where we are going to put on some of the stickers. I told them they could have one sticker, and so this is me like trying to help them pick out the stickers that they want. And then they change their mind, and then they put it back, and then they change their mind, and so they're gonna help me a little bit here. And then I finally was just like, okay, I need to finish this video. So I gave them each a sticker, and they went and played with it. So I did decide to keep the rainbow sticker in the middle, and I really, really love how that turned out. Then I'm going to put this cute little umbrella sticker down there. That 3x4 card I am going to put there to the left so that I can do some journaling just about my friend and I going to get a pedicure, and then going and getting my eyebrows waxed. So it's basically like a nice pampering session for me on this day. I thought about doing a banner here and then doing a title underneath it. I'm actually going to change that in a little bit. I really just don't like how that looks at all. So I am going to move it to the top right-hand corner. And then I'm going to find a 3x4 card that has a saying on it that I thought was perfect. So live simply and bloom wildly is what it is. So that is going to be my title. I'm just going to fussy cut it out, and then I am going to glue it down. I wanted to pop it up, but I don't have any idea where my pop dots are or where my fun foam is. And so I am going to do like a makeshift little, what is it? Pop dot. I'm going to just fold up the cardstock that I cut out, and I'm just going to glue it down to that. So here is where I'm moving those stickers. And like I said, I'm just moving them up to the top. And that is going to be my third cluster. So the bottom left-hand corner is one cluster. The middle title area is a cluster, and then the top right-hand corner. So my cluster is on a diagonal. I had to keep kind of cutting off a few of the leaves because I didn't want it to cover up my friend or my face. And so I decided to kind of cut off some of the leaves and things. So here's where I crumple the piece of paper and try to make it look like it's kind of just popped a little bit off of the page, and I totally forgot to ink the edges. So here I'm inking the edges. And then that is going to be it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a great scrappy day. I will hopefully see you soon. I'm not sure. We are supposed to be moving in on April 10th, so it might be a little while before I get set up, but hopefully before then I will have an update video for you so you know what my plans are for next month. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.